no valid plans for the future, can be made by those who have no capacity for living now. Saints need sinners. The reason we have poverty is that we have no imagination. There are a great many people accumulating what they think is vast wealth, but it's only money. They don't know how to enjoy it, because they have no imagination. A myth is an image, in terms of which we try to make sense of the world. We identify in our experience a differentiation between what we do and what happens to us. The ego is nothing other than the focus of conscious attention. Never pretend to a love which you do not actually feel, for love is not ours to command. Unless one is able to live fully in the present, the future is a hoax. No work or love will flourish out of guilt, fear, or hollowness of heart, just as no valid plans for the future can be made by those who have no capacity for living now. Faith is a state of openness or trust. You don't look out there for God, something in the sky, you look in you. We cannot be more sensitive to pleasure without being more sensitive to pain. Trying to define yourself is like trying to bite your own teeth. Religion is not a department of life, it is something that enters into the whole of it.